here. We'll watch the news.
Okay, let's go. What are you watching, Dad?
Hey guys, look at the news.
Pay attention.
Nanawagan ng tulong
Even the schools are flooded?
Miyang pamilyang nakunan po ng video ng ABS-CBN habang tinatangay sa San Mateo River noong araw ng Sabado. Humihingi rin po ng tulong ang local government ng San Mateo dahil halos 100,000 taga roon ang malubhang na apektuhan ng bagyo at pagbabaha. Live mula sa San Mateo, Rizal, nagpapatrol Ryan Chua.
Is there a typhoon?
2% nitong San Mateo Rizal ang lumubog sa baha ayon sa lokal na pamahalaan. Matinding hirap ang dinagis ng mga residente rito. Kabilang yung mga taga-ibang lugar na napadaan lang dito habang tangay ng malakas na agos ng tubig.
What should we do? We should do something.
Yes, I am.
But we should call our parents first, to ask for permission. Call him! Our dad! What's the number of our dad?
Meantime, some local government units have already announced class suspensions for Tuesday. There will be no classes today in preschool to high school in Laguna, Bataan, Pateros, Las Piñas, Taguig.
Mama! I went to Tita and she told me that there might be a typhoon that will strike our place. And? She observed it through the ocean and through the clouds. Maybe it's not true. Maybe your Tita just heard it from the news. No, she observed it because the waves are getting bigger and the clouds are getting darker. Ira, just help me secure the things first, and after that, let's put the things inside. Okay. Ira, help me put this inside. It might blown away by strong winds. Ma, here's the water that you asked me for. Come in. Ma, why there are lots of stocked up foods in here? Because we don't know how long the typhoon will last.
Okay, Ma. Ma, what about Tita? Do you think they're safe?
Yeah, I think they're safe naman because they're always prepared. But I'm worried because they're near the shore. Ma! The rain is getting harder! You should call your tita and ask them to come over. Hey, Jor!
Hello, Tim.
Why don't you come over? The typhoon is getting stronger. We already secured our place. Yeah, okay. We will wait for you.
Young, before we go to your tita's house, we need to turn off all the lights and all the appliances, okay?
Yes, ma'am. I will turn off also the main switch.
Young, did you pack all the things we need?
Yes, ma'am. It's all in my bag.
Okay, let's go.
Why are you still here po? We can't just leave this place. ghosts in our school?
Ghost?
What ghost?
One time, I was at the restroom putting my makeup when I felt like someone is watching me.
And then? Tin, don't kick the bed!
Then what happened?
I didn't mind what I felt, so I continued to curl my lash. But suddenly,
Hey!
Tin! Guys, let's stop this nonsense. It's not even true. You guys, stop playing around. You're so noisy. Haven't you noticed that the ground was shaking a while ago?
What are you talking about?
I dreamt about this last night, and I think it's coming true.
Yeah, I felt it too, but I didn't mind it. Because you might think I'm overreacting.
Oh my God! The ground is shaking! Bambi, come here! Bambi, come on! Let's go! Let's go! Bambi! Bambi! Oh my God, you're bleeding! Oh my... Bambi! Guys! Guys! Bambi's dead! Oh my... Guys! 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 Bambi's dead! Guys! Wake up! Guys! Guys! Wake up! Bambi's... Guys! Guys! Guys!
It's a normal day. You're stuck in class when suddenly the fire alarm goes off. Do you know what to do? Of course you do. First, alert everyone. This is normally done by shouting or pressing the fire alarm. Step 2. Evacuation, or hightailing it out of there in an orderly manner using the shortest and safest possible way indicated in the evacuation plan. When it comes to this kind of situation, knowing your way out is definitely handy. Step 3. Make sure to call the proper authorities, especially the local fire departments, and they can rush to the scene as soon as possible. But wait, what if the fire is accessible and it's not too big yet? Then you can probably suppress it using a fire extinguisher. Get one that is near to you. Check the pressure if it's still okay. Rush over to the scene and maintain at least 2 meters away to the scene. All you need to remember is PASS. Pass. Pull the pin, aim at the base of the fire, and squeeze the lever and sway from side to side.
I need to fix this wire. It might cause fire.
Thank you.